Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're going to check out how to avoid fees associated with cash advance. Now, Cleo is one of the few apps that offers interest-free cash advances, but you can still run into optional or avoidable charges. Let's break down how to avoid any fees while using SpotMe. Step 1. Skip the boost if you don't need it. If you don't need instant cash. Now, Cleo offers boost for instant transfers, but this comes with a small fee. Now, if you can wait 1 to 3 days, you want to make sure you choose the standard free transfer option. Now, for this option, you're not going to have to pay any fees and just wait 1 to 3 business days to receive your funds. Step 2. Don't opt into tipping unless you want to. Tipping is encouraged, but it's optional. If you're tight on funds, you want to skip that. Cleo won't penalize you for doing so. Step 3. Maintain a positive balance in your bank accounts. You want to ensure that your account has funds on your repayment date, just to avoid a failed withdrawal, which of course is going to lead to your bank charging you overdraft or NSF fees. Of course, Cleo is not the one doing this, but your bank is going to do that. Step 4. Use Cleo's regularly to increase limits. The more Cleo understands your income and spending, the higher your limit gets, so you don't need to request advances too frequently. Step 5. Stick with the free plan. Now, while Cleo does offer a paid Cleo Plus or Cleo Builder subscription, SpotMe is available without them, so don't subscribe unless you need all those extra features. With a little planning, you can use Cleo's SpotMe feature completely fee-free. Next up, let's explore Cleo's Credit Builder card and explain how it can help you to boost your credit score with that card. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.